Okay, so it is planting day. We're gonna disc the garden one more time. Got our rototiller down there. We got our plow attachment here to where we can dig down to get the potato rows made. We got Emma right here.
Hi.
Daddy.
My grandpa ran over.
Little bit. Danny's down there with her grandfather. And then we got baby.
Our grandfather ran over this.
Look at him go.
Time to till. While this man plays in the dirt. So we ran the tractor through. These are our rows, the darker spots, and then we're going to till the lighter spots to get some more dirt up. That way we can cover them. They're going to do our potatoes over here, corn over here. Good job.
Don't touch it, okay? It's hot.
There we go. There.
You ever seen those crazy YouTube videos where people cover
Hey, now,
their-
guys, just so you're aware, there's a whole nother cooler. Don't think this is the only one.
Have you guys seen those crazy YouTube videos where they literally cover?
Okay, so today we are out in the garden. I came back to the house to feed little man and to finish up some of dinner. That way when we're done, it's ready to go. Just doing some lasagna, some cream corn, breadsticks, things like that. So today we laid down some fertilizer. We are planting our potatoes, and then our seed potatoes, and then our corn. So we have taken the tractor, we disked the garden, we ran the blade through it to make the rows. We rototilled around the rows so that the dirt would be looser to be able to fill over the rows better. So we laid our fertilizer down for our potatoes, planted our potatoes. They're down there laying out the corn now. We're doing 6 rows, 6 3/4 length row or 3/4 rows. We have really long rows, but doing probably half. We're gonna do half, and if we have a lot more corn, then we'll do 3/4 of the row. 6 rows long, deep, and then we're doing 3 rows of potatoes. Figured that I would cut in here and say what exactly we were doing. That way you'd be able to know. So you just lay your little bit of fertilizer out, put your seed potatoes in, cover them up level with the ground. You don't mound them until they start to sprout, and you can see the tops, the greens, sprouting through. And then you just mound them till you have a little mount or a little hill. So that's what we're doing.